Ladipo market has been taken over by the Mushin local government officers. Ladipo market has been taken over by the Mushin local government officers, and their chairman, Chief Chukuma Onyebinama, has been arrested and taken to Abuja, he and his men. The chairman arrested by the police, and he has been flown to Abuja, he and those other people working with him. Now, we talked about the Ladipo International Market, and we said that the Mushin local government came and told the leadership of the market that you must include a Yoruba indigene in your leadership. They don't want Igbos flooding the leadership of the Ladipo market, that they must include Yoruba indigenes in their next election. But somehow crisis erupted during the election day, that is November 16th. When the election took place, there was another round of crisis and clash after the day that they had issues with the directive from Mushin local government. Now, the chairman, Chief Onyebinama, his vice chairman, Kajetan Anigbo, the electoral committee chairman, Fatai Adefat, and the security chairman have been arrested and flown to Abuja over violent attacks in the market. Now, the court has ordered Chief Onyebinama not to conduct any election in that market. He refused to obey court order, and because of what we call contempt of court. Contempt of court means that if you disobey court orders, it is binding on you that you have committed a crime. So Chief Chukuma Onyebinama disobeyed the Lagos State court order and went on to continue the election. Remember, the Mushin local government had advised Chief Chukuma that they must include Yorubas in their leadership in that Ladipo market. And we know Ladipo is full of Southeasterners. And I told you the last time that since after the election, since Tinubu lost to Peter Obi in Lagos State, there is a grand plan to clip the wings of Igbos in Lagos and the Southwest. So, no wonder we are seeing what is happening in Ladipo market today. As we speak, Chief Chukuma Onyebinama is cooling off in police custody in Abuja.
Ha! Ó ti wá lẹ́tíkẹ́ ní o, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò rọrùn o. Wọ́n ní Yorùbá take over Ladipo market, chairman arrested to take it to Abuja. Oh, ìyẹn nìkan kọ́ o. Reactions as Mushin local government changes Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market name to Paramo market. Hey, ó ti lẹ́tíkẹ́. Mr. Chukuma báyìí ó ń jẹ́jọ́ ní ìlú Abuja báyìí o. Kí ló dé ṣẹlẹ̀? Òun náà ló ti gbọ́ nínú fídíò yẹn. Wípé Ladipo market yìí ò gbogbo wa lájọ mọ̀ wípé àwọn South Eastern part, àwọn ọmọ Igbo, àwọn ni wọ́n take over tí wọ́n wà in charge Ladipo market. Ìdí ni wípé àwọn ni wọ́n ta spare part ńbẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kó tó di wípé wọ́n sọ ní Aguiyi Ironsi, Paramo ni orúkọ ẹni tó níbẹ̀ yẹn gangan. Oríṣiríṣi rògbòdìyàn àti wàhálà ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ láti bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ìdí ni wípé Mushin local government chairman wọn ló ti warn àwọn leaders wọn ní inú Ladipo wípé kí wọ́n involve àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ní inú àwọn leadership wọn, kó má jẹ́ wípé ọmọ Igbo nìkan ni ó máa ṣe kíni lá máa jẹ adarí àbí olùdarí àbí agbẹnusọ àbí anything tó bá wùn kó lè pé ní inú Ladipo market ń bẹ ní Mushin. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní Mr. Shukudi kò gbọ́ o, wọ́n ní wọ́n kọ̀ wọ́n áàdì ọmọ Yorùbá kankan sí inú leadership forum wọn bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ìgbà tí wọ́n fa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ ṣáfà bọ̀ ní wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún pé ìwọ Chukuma o àbí Shukudi ó ṣàṣukú wípé ìwọ rèé o tó o bá ti wá gbọ́ ohun tí a sọ fún ẹ wípé o ní láti háàdì ọmọ Yorùbá sínú leadership forum yín bẹ̀ kẹjọ máa túkọ̀ Ladipo market ńbẹ̀. A jẹ́ wípé o gbọ́dọ̀ conduct any kind of election ní ibi ibẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n ní leader àwọn Chukuma kò gbọ́ o, ó fárígá wípé anything tóun bá ṣe ta ló máa mú òun. Okay now, wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí le débi wípé wọ́n ti gbéra wọn lọ sí kóòtù gbogbo ẹ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Wọ́n ní láti court order gan ló sọ wípé wọn ò gbúdọ̀ ṣe any election till further notice tí wọ́n bá resolve gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó wà láàrin wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n Mr. Chukwuma yìí o, wọ́n ní kò gbọ́ ó bá lọ conduct election. Ìyẹn báyìí wọ́n ló ti ń jẹ wàhálà ìyà yẹn lọ́wọ́. Ó ti wà l'Abuja, ó dẹ̀ pọ́n náà ti arrest ẹ̀, ó ti wà l'Abuja àtàwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, mo ní lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, reactions as Mushin local government changes Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market name to Paramo market. Wọ́n ò pé ìwọ tó bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń gbọ́ fídíò yìí, bá mi pín káàkiri ẹ̀yin ọmọ Lagos State. Ẹ̀yin ti Lars Gidi Èkó ní bọ́jẹ́ ó bọ́jẹ́ tí kò rújú rárá. Bá mi share kí gbogbo àwọn bus driver, both the private and the public wọn, kí gbogbo wọn kí wọ́n mọ̀, kí gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń gbé ní Lagos ńbẹ̀ kẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Aguiyi Ironsi spare part market mọ́ o. Paramo market ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ nǹkan síwájú sí i. Mo kíwa mo kíwa. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. Gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá wà tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ mi àbí tẹ́ ti ń wò mí, Yèyé Dára kó. Yes, ni mò ń jẹ́. The Mushin local government has ordered that the Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market in Ladipo be renamed to Paramo International Spare Parts Market. I'll read again. The Mushin local government has ordered that the Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market in Ladipo be renamed to Paramo International Spare Parts Market. In a video posted to video yẹn mo máa fi hàn yín nísìnyí níbi tí Mushin local government chairman gangan fúnra lára wọn tí wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jáde láìpẹ́ yìí. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré ka gbogbo eléyìí. The chairman of the local government, Emmanuel Bamigboye, said the name change was to honor the original developer of the market, Paramo, Hassan Olajoku. Wọ́n ní Paramo yìí ohun gangan ló ṣiṣẹ́ tó jìyà. Ibi tí wọ́n pè ní Ladipo lẹ́ni 30 spare part yẹn. Wọ́n ló jìyà gan ni o. Wọ́n ló jìyà, wọ́n ló suffer gan. Wọ́n ní akíkanjú ni. Kí ló dé kù tí wọ́n ti lè fi máa ṣèrántí irú àwọn akíkanjú lára àwọn ẹni oríṣàdá? Òun ni kí a fi ibẹ̀ yẹn ní orúkọ ẹ̀ títí láéláé láti sìn lọ. Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market in Ladipo ó ti wà rename to Paramo International Spare Parts Market. Yeah, the chairman of the local government, Atikaye. In the video, the chairman said the market's name was originally Paramo, but was all of a sudden changed to Aguiyi Ironsi. Ohun tí chairman local government ń jẹ́ kó yé wa kó tó fotí ara ẹ gbà kó tẹ̀ fojú ara ẹ rí jẹ́ ìṣàlàyé fún ẹ farabalẹ̀. Ohun tó ń sọ ni wípé Paramo yìí náà ni wọ́n ń pe ibi tí wọ́n ti ta spare part ní Ladipo yìí. Òun ló ń jẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n ní all of a sudden ni wọ́n dédé change ẹ̀ sí Aguiyi Ironsi. Paramo died in the process of the activities of the party. Imagine, we are using this opportunity to use this name to honor him. That is the situation. It has been reversed back to Paramo Spare Parts International Market. That is the decision of the ESCO and the executive arm of Mushin local government, and that is our resolution for now, he said. His announcement has been greeted with mixed reactions. While some commended him, others wonder how the name change will impact on the life of the people in the local government. So, lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, ó ti gbọ́ nísìn. Aguiyi Ironsi spare parts market, ó ti di Paramo International Spare Parts Market. Nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ fún wa ńbẹ̀ nìyẹn. Tó bá dé wo àwọn nǹkan kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn orúkọ àwọn street estate tí wọ́n ti name ní àwọn orúkọ àwọn another tribe ní Lagos State, wọ́n ti ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀. A jẹ́ wípé meeting ń lọ lẹ́yìn lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan ni mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún ẹ wípé àwọn organisation tó wà fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àní wọ́n pọ̀ ṣáláàlú. Má bá anybody jà, jẹ́ kó ní kálukú ṣe tiẹ̀. Àwọn kan ni wọ́n ń ṣe léyìí. Ìwọ̀nba tí ìwà tèmi bá lè ṣe láti contribute fún ìtẹ̀síwájú àti progress ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, let's do it genuinely, yes. Tó bá wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀, àwọn street oríṣiríṣi tó ti mọ̀ lóru àwọn orúkọ kan tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ò ń ṣe ti Yorùbá, wọ́n ti ń yí padà ní Lagos State, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti fi orúkọ Yorùbá sí. Anyway, ẹ wá lọ wo fídíò yẹn.
ESCO approval that henceforth Mushin local government, one of the segments in Ladipo market, international spare part market, which was named as Paramo market before, and all of a sudden changed to Aguiyi Ironsi international spare part market, has been reversed to former name, which is Paramo spare part international market, and in honor of the family of the Paramo Azan Olajoko, which was the developer of that day, and died in the process of the activities of the party. So we are using this name to honor him again and refers to his name because of the struggle of the struggle of Mushin, struggle of Osun State government. In the process, he was killed in cold blood. So we are using this opportunity to use this name to honor him, so that in his memory, that is the situation. It has been reversed back to Paramo spare part international market. So henceforth, so that is the decision of the ESCO and the decision of the legislative arm of Mushin local government, and that's our resolution for now.
Àlàyé yẹn náà ló ti rí tó ti gbọ́ yẹn o, kò sí wàhálà. Ṣùgbọ́n mo rí wípé ìjà dópin, ogun ṣiṣẹ́, olùgbàlà jagun mólú, orin ayọ̀ la ó máa kọ, hallelujah. Ẹni kí ló forin nínú rògbòdìyàn? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, wàláì mi ò gbọ́ pà, mi ò gbọ́ pò. I no hear wetin devil talk. Ayi ànáyà, you say ìsìnkìní ẹ̀bà. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan tẹ́ wá ní mo dorí tí mo rárá o. Àwọn kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí mo rí ni mo sáré lọ síbi comment section kí lọ wo nǹkan kí lọ wò wá. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí mo rí tí àwọn Igbo brothers and sisters mi tí wọ́n kọ, una do well o, my Igbo people, una really do well. E be like say this quarrel, this matter wahala, this wahala wey dey between Igbos and Yoruba, the thing no dey solve genuinely o. E don dey go because when I enter the comment section, the thing wey my eye see there, I no believe her. Hey, my Igbo people, so bad o. Ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ Father's Gold. Ó ní Indigo success dey give Yoruba sleepless night. Anyway, yẹn ò ṣe problem. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn eléyìí tí mo tún wá rí tó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Igbo gan ni wọ́n kọ. As an Igbo, ẹ máa wá gbọ́, ó ní mi ní dárúkọ wọn mọ́ ní as an Igbo man, I don't have a problem with this. Everyone should face their region. Simple. I mean, it is not hard. Let's go face ours. It is Yoruba people's land, and they decide what they want to do there, and we should go build our place and decide too. Ohun tí ọmọ Igbo yẹn sọ ń bẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni wọ́n sì tẹ̀lé, wọ́n ní very simple, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Edu ní very simple and correct o. Expert ní but are we still one Nigeria? Scope ní yes. Benny, another one ní God bless you one day, I have no problem. Nora, èdè Igbo lélẹ̀ mi ò gbọ́. Eléyìí tribalism wọ́n kí Nigeria. Seriously, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ one Nigeria. The earlier the better. You realize that and you accept. Simple as ABC. If anybody is telling you there is one Nigeria somewhere, there is nothing like one Nigeria. Tribalism has separated everybody. Accepted it once and for all. And have peace forever. Yes. Yes. It is not about Yoruba Ronu nìkan. It is about every other tribe. There is no other tribe that you will not find something like this there. Let everybody go back home and build their region. Yes, we have to build Yoruba land. Yoruba land, we have to make it great again. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ti sọnù nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tá kan fojú wo pé kò ní túmọ̀ kò mátà. Ṣé ìwọ náà ti wá rí pé ó ti ń di mátà ara ìsìn báyìí? Ìwọ tó bá ìjọmọ Yorùbá tó ṣe ìfinú tó ń rojọ́ tó ń sọ pé kinní kan wọ́n ti já ẹ lẹ́nìyẹn mò ń sọ fún ẹ. Kó o tó dijú kó o tó lajú sí wá rí wípé wọ́n ti jáwọ́ ìwọ nìkan ló ń dá dúró. Ṣé orí ìrìn àjò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó ń lọ síwájú ní lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́. Èyí tó bá fẹ́ mọ̀ ló fẹ́ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Èyí tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ti tèmi mo stand fún Yorùbá land. Everything you want to know about Yorùbá land. Èyí tó ṣe dáadáa ni, èyí tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó ni, àgbàlagbà ni, politicians ni, ọmọdé ni, ìyálọ́jà ìyálájé, ìyálóde ni, ọba ni, ìjòyè ni, political elite ni, àwọn àgbààgbà wa ní wàláì orí show dára ló ti máa gbọ́. Nítorí wípé mo ti love ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jù. Ìsàpòyàkọ́ ni, ọmọ kan ni mí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó bá wá ní mo ní hatred sí every other tribe. Jọ ń tọrọ Ọlọ́run fún mi ní one reason kan tó ṣe believe pé bí a mo ní láti hate any other tribe. Just one reason. Kò sí reason kankan. Why should I hate on another tribe? But I love my tribe and I'm not ashamed of it. Yes, now I'm proud of my race now, and everything that is going to make my race to be greater than the way we are now, I'll be very happy and glad to join. I won't bring any other tribe down, but let every other tribe also respect one another. Let us respect ourselves. Àbí ibikíbi tá bá wà, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe bí wọ́n bá ṣe ń ṣe ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Yo, nínú gbogbo àlàyé tí mo ti wá ṣe kalẹ̀ yìí, màámi dádì mi kílẹ̀ yín náà rí sí. Kí lẹ rí sí màtá yìí, kí lẹ rí sí rògbòdìyàn yìí? Ìgbò àti Yorùbá ṣá má fàájà o. Ẹ má fàájà o. Mo wí iná mo dánu dúró. Jọ̀ọ́ bá mi mú fídíò kó bá mi share. Local government Mushin ó ti ṣe títí ẹ̀. Àwọn media houses wọ́n ti ṣe tiwọn. Èmi náà ti ń ṣe tèmi báyìí. Ìwọ náà ṣe títí ẹ. Jẹ́ ká jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Remember, a drop of water form a mighty ocean. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni oríṣiríṣi ogun ló ń ja ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ibi gbogbo ẹ̀ tá bá ti jọ ń rí oríṣiríṣi tá jọ ń yanjú ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwọ náà má sá sẹ́yìn. Má sá sẹ́yìn. Yorùbá nation nìyẹn. Tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation, tí wọ́n bá ti sọ tá bá dárúkọ Yorùbá, tá bá ti fi nation sí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ kì í understand. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation tó sọ tá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá land. Tó sọ pé talk about Yorùbá nation, mo fẹ́ bi ẹ́ ṣé o wà okay. Ṣé abracadabra land ni mò ń sọ npa ẹ̀? À ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú society ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ìwà tèmi jọ ń pariwo pé a fẹ́ kó rọrùn. O tún wá ní kí sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation. Jọ̀ọ́ ṣé Yorùbá land kọ́ ni Yorùbá nation wà ní àbọ̀ ní Yorùbá nation kan tó wà níbòmí tèmi ò wà wẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá wá ti wá mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá nation náà ni Yorùbá land, gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń lọ lódìlódì àti èyí tó dá àti gbogbo ẹ̀ lájọ ní láti straighten. Jọ̀ọ́ má mú mi lọ́tà. Ìṣe ni kó jẹ́ ká jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Kó jẹ́ ká jọ túlẹ̀ bàbá wa ṣe. Má ṣọ̀tẹ̀ o. Má ṣọ̀tẹ̀ o. Sásẹ́yìn falábòsí àtọlọ́tẹ̀ o. Wọn ò ní jẹ́ òde bí ó lọ o. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lè mi gbé dání o. Ìwọ ńkọ́ inú ẹ̀ náà ni Yorùbá nation wà. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Yọ tọ̀tẹ̀ kúrò kó fi tọ̀tẹ̀ sí. Ṣé o ti bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel? Support my brother. Ó ti lè kọ́kọ́ jù mí ò mọ̀ bóyá ó ti wálé ayé má yá jù. Your comment is very, very important. Yes, it's very, very important. Má sì gbàgbé láti thumb up. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Yèyé dára kò wé kò.